Okay, I just briefly wanted to go through a bit about how you can zoom in and out with your design. Now, sometimes when I'm wanting something, lined up perfectly straight, or if there is if I've cropped something and something is not cropped properly, I like to zoom quite close in to get a better preview of what my design looks like. So we'll just stick with keeping it with what's already on my canvas, and all you need to do is, if you go onto the left hand side here, all right, and then you'll see that this box will appear, and you have, which is pretty much self-explanatory. You can zoom in by clicking onto the plus sign and you're zooming in. Okay, all the other options, if you want to zoom out, you can click on this button here and you can zoom out. Now, a quicker way would be to hit Control and the plus sign, and that will allow you to zoom in. Or if you want to zoom out, you hit Control or Command and you hit the minus sign, and it will allow you to zoom out. So that's just a quick video on how to use your zoom tool.